Morning guys, I hope you all are doing great. I know today's angle of this video is a little weird, but I literally just got the call this morning from my builder. He was like, are you ready for the new unit? And I'm like, it's ready. And he was like, yeah, it's ready to go. So it's most likely going to be delivered today once the weather holds up. So I have to actually, let me flip the camera, hold on. So I have to empty all of these shelves. I'm gonna put the things in boxes and move out these 2 units into another room, clean out this little area, and yeah, get ready for the new unit. So I'll be vlogging some of that. You can see I already started to clear up some things last night, and you'll see that clip in a few minutes, which I did last night. So that's what today's video is about, just me getting ready for this new storage unit. So if that's something you're interested in, then keep on watching. My Slaystation will finally get to ease up from being packed to the brim, and also all of these things will have a new home eventually. And this is Ashes judging me very early in the morning. Look at that, how spoiled. I can't find a box anywhere, so I just found this little old table outside, so I'm just gonna start emptying everything on here. I swear I hit the record button and I ran there emptying the shelves, but yeah, so basically all I did was empty all of these. I am such a great vlogger, look at me. And yeah, put it on this table, so I'm gonna move that table to over there and try to get these 2 units out. So I have to get my dad to help me. I don't know where this man is, but yeah. Okay, so it's finally cleared out. I now have to go and help my dad in the other room to set up the other shelves and pack up some stuff on it. But yeah, I just have to wait for the new unit to reach, and that's it. They just called and the truck is on its way. I am super excited right now. I am literally just like shaking. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready and wait outside. Oh my god. Oh, it's here, oh my goodness. So this is one part of the unit here. This is so tall, my gosh. But yeah, they wrapped it up really properly to make sure it didn't damage during transport, and also they don't want me to see. So the entire process of it being put together, I wouldn't be able to see because they want to see my like raw reaction. So it's gonna be a genuine surprise. So I don't know, I guess they'll come back and vlog when they finish everything. So they left a little while ago and everything is completed, and when I tell you my first reaction, like I almost cried. It's so pretty, it's way better than I ever expected. So you're ready for the reveal? Let's go. Oh my god, yes, it is inspired by the IKEA PAX system, but this one is so much more elevated. I mean, he put moldings, all of this was his idea, and he also, instead of just having like one big box, he decided to bring the middle piece just a little bit forward for a little more dimension, and that was so brilliant. But apart from the drawers, which honestly are so smooth, I think this is the coolest thing in this vanity. So at face value, it just looks like 3 big drawers, but this one is a double drawer. Like, how freaking cool is that? A drawer in a drawer. Oh my gosh, even Ashes is like, what? But this is literally the coolest thing I have ever seen, honestly. Look at Ashes, she just can't get enough. It's like new stuff to play with. You stuff to store your clothes. So this is the new unit. This unit has been my dream for a very long time, so I can't wait to start packing stuff from this vanity into the new unit. So I have my work cut out for maybe the next couple of days. Hopefully I can get it done in 2 days. But yeah, that's it for now. So this is the unit. She is finally here, and I guess to fill it up with all of my stuff. So I guess I will see y'all next week for the full review and tour. I still have organizers to purchase and stuff, so yeah, I will definitely keep y'all updated on how that is going, but definitely look out for the tour next week. Also, I will have the builder's name in the description box and his contact numbers, so make sure and give them a buzz if you want to get more information on a unit. You can custom build anything. He is extremely talented, so make sure you'll give him a call. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you'll like the new unit. Bye!